Welcome everyone, here's how you turn on a ringer in your iPhone. So if you're having issues where calls aren't making sounds, etc., you just want to find the left hand side of your iPhone, and you see this ringer switch right here. You just want to make sure this is in the upwards position, so it may require a bit of force to push up, and you'll see silent mode is off. Okay, so from here, let's also open up the settings app, and you just want to go to the home page here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find where it says sounds and haptics, and you can also see if you want vibration on when ringer is on and silent, you can change this one here. You can also change the loudness of the ringer and alerts, so if this is all the way off then it's going to make no sound. Okay, and I'll give you an example. And you can also change whether or not you have keyboard clicks, lock sound, system haptics. So either if any of those aren't making noises, then you know. And you can also change the ringtone sound by tapping on ringtone right here. Also make sure you either slide down from the top right hand side if your iPhone doesn't have a home button, or slide up from the bottom, okay, if your iPhone does have a home button. You see this audio switch, make sure this switch is on. Okay, you can slide across, or you can just use the volume rockers, and if you long press there, you can change the volume manually. With that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.